Hello, my name is Julio Montoro, and welcome to My Name Is Julio Montoro. And welcome to My Name Is Julio Montoro. Let's start the trailer. Hey, hello.
Hi.
How are you? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hello. What's your name? No, don't tell me. I want to read it. Take a look. Can you write it there, please? Do you know these cards?
Yes.
They are hello, my name is cards. So in this way, I'm gonna stick it right over here, okay? Yeah. Oh, what a big arm. Yeah, awesome. So take a look. I'm gonna put my name here too, so you can know which is my name. So now we know each other. My name is Julio. Hello, Joselu. Nice to meet you. I'm Julio.
Hello, Julio.
Nice to meet you. So with your name right over there, which says Joselu, okay, and my name right over here, which says Julio, okay, I'm gonna try to do a transpo. Okay, so take a look at my name. It says Julio, right? Watch. 1, 2, 3. Now it says Joselu, but take a look at yours. What does it say? Julio. Julio, just doing this.
What?
It says Pau.
Yeah.
And what does it say there?
Oh, it's yours.
Can you show it to the camera, please? So now you are Julio and I'm Pau. So nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.